How to change names on Facebook Lite. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to change your names on Facebook Lite app. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is just go ahead and open up your Facebook Lite and make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to go ahead and change the name of. So the first thing you need to do here is tap on the three lines at the top right, and from here you can simply view your profile. Now once you do that, as you can see, here is my name right now. So if you want to change it, you want to head over to settings and simply tap on your account center. And once you do that, you will find your profiles option on your account center. So just go ahead and tap on the profiles. It will show you a list of all of the profiles that you have on your account center. So just choose the account that you want to change the name of, which is the first one. And from here, you can simply tap on name. And now you can add a middle name, add a surname, or you can just adjust your name like this. So once you have done that, you can just go ahead and review your change. And if the name exists, or if you once you change it, you have to note that you cannot change your name for 30 or 60 days. So go ahead and make sure that Facebook validates your name. Once you have done that, tap on OK and then review change. And now once that is done, you can select what kind of order you want on your name and then simply tap on save changes. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.